Hello, welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm back at Campsie Glen. There's a waterfall up here I've never been to. Didn't reach the last time I was here. I'm hoping to reach it today. It's a nice wee morning, Sunday morning stroll. So we'll go up here, have a look, see if I can reach it. I'm going to head up that way. And I'll get some waterfalls down here on the way back again, obviously. Don't want to pass by it. So we'll go up this path. I need to put you away for a wee while and I'll let you out when I get there. Right, so I'm very sure I'm at the very end. This is the very last. I'm not getting any further anyway. I need a rope to get up there. Well, I've got a rope, but I'm not getting up there. Too sketchy. I've been told with my health and safety advisor not to do anything silly. So far I've been clever and I've not done that. So I'm going to shoot this waterfall, number one, and then I'll shoot the ones on the way down, back down. The ones that I passed, quite a few. I'll get some good pictures hopefully. And I'll go and get set up somewhere once I see a wee bit. I've no welting, so I might get wet feet. That happens. Here we go. Right, I got across. I'm here. I did get my feet wet. It's only ankle deep. But I had to get into a shot. I'm not going to do anything else sketchy, honest. So I'll have a look about here. I'll set up, get a couple of shots, and then head back down, get some waterfalls on the way back down. Quite a glen this, Campsie Glen, but I prefer coming to the bottom of the glen, up, instead of up the top when you've only got a few waterfalls, and then the waterfalls are full of people. I've been there before and the people see me photographing and just jump in anyway, but it's usually a long exposure or a wee bit of Photoshop to take them out, and that's the way it is. You can't complain. People enjoying themselves. But I'm going to get set up here, take some pictures, head back down towards the van, and I'll see you in a minute. I'm going to have a look at this here. There's my wee drone. How are you doing? I'm going to try and get a composition here, somewhere. It looks better for there, right in the water. Just there, right at the edge of the water, or there. So I can get this bit here in, and that bit over there, plus the circle of the water coming down. So I'm going to get set up. Get some shots. I'll set up here in the water. Oh, right. And I'm in screen here, so it's paused now. I'm going to just strategically place this wee bit of leaf, as you can see, on that rock there. Oh. Better run the other way. Yeah, that's better. I lost my feet here. Might need to tilt you back a bit better. Yeah, it should be. Right, so I'm set up here in the water. I've got my polarising filter on. It's just a case of getting a good composition. I better roll my trousers up a wee touch. I don't want them too wet. Anyway, I'm recording on screen here. Throw that one away again. I should have brought my wellies, but I forgot them. I don't know why I forgot them, I was coming to a waterfall. Right, so I'm just going to level this up. I'm going to take my first shot. No matter. I'm going to take my first shot through here. I'll zoom in slightly. Just got to be a first shot. So I want to be, what are we at? Fifth. Let's go. Ooh, I think a fourth was the best, wasn't it? 4 seconds. 1, 2. So let's try focus on this wee bit rock right there where I put that leaf. Still F4. That looks quite nice at F4, 4 seconds, 40 a second, whatever you want to call it. Now, I'm going to have to focus again. This has got to be a focus stack on the next rock up, the big rock there. Yeah. And this aperture is no bad for the sky, so we're still getting nice bit of greenery there. And I've also got the polarising filter on. So I'm going to take another picture up there at the end waterfall. And I think three stitches would be enough. Should be good enough. Still doesn't want to focus right. There we go. That's it. Oh, back in the water again. Back in the water again. Oh, I should watch my footing. I'll maybe move into the water. That'll be better for me. I'll just turn these right up. I'll need to take that picture again because I think I moved the tripod. So let's try that again. I'm only got to look at it. I know I moved it. Hey, that's okay. That's quite nice. Right, as I said, I put that leaf there. So what I'm going to do is got to get down low to that one. I'm going to stop this now. Pause it. Stop it. Pause it. Pause it. Stop it. Stop the recording. Right. Right. I'm going to go down low for this. I might cut out some of the tap waterfall, but I'll get the 2 wee bits at the bottom. All the way down. I hope I don't get my bum wet, because this is a nice wee bit here. And I think about here. Yeah. Now, I'll zoom out for that one, and I'll level it up a wee touch. I don't know if it'll work. It might be a full panel, up and down. Took some pictures with the drone, but I started losing a bit of, so I had to go and drop it down because it would have just disappeared and fell in the water. Right, I'm going to focus on that wee leaf that is just fell there for the tree somehow. I'll take that picture. Cool. I only want this shutter speed because it's a photo setting. I'm going to move up again to the next bit. Focus on the next rock up. And again I'm going to focus on the back rock. Up the top a wee bit. Focused up there. That looks okay. What I'm going to do now is do that again. I'm going to record it this time, so you'll see it on screen. Start at the back and work my way back the way. And I want to go up the aperture, so I might need to go up the shutter speed at this place here because it's quite dark. I'm doing that wee rock there. Focus there. Take that picture. And want to take a portrait shot here as well, looking like how that is leaning in and they're getting a bit of sunshine on my back. So I think I've got them 3 shots. I'll pause that now and I'll turn this round a bit. Make sure it's in tight. I'll end up going walkies in the water. We don't want that. Right, so plenty of water here. Plenty of points of interest. First point of interest. Right, so the first point of interest will be here. This wee bit leading up. We've got that wee leaf leading up to these waterfalls here, and the waterfall, just getting the top of the waterfall at the back. My first point is right in here at the water, at the bottom. I'm going to focus right on this corner. Right there. Then I'm going to focus on that leaf. Right there. Take that shot. Now I'm going to focus on the rock behind that splits the water. Focus there. And I'm going to go up to the trees. Up with that. Because I think I can bring the shutter speed up a bit there. Couple of stops up. Right. I think that's okay. I'm going to stop that there. I think I've got enough of this waterfall. I'm going to start heading back down, see if we can get to the ones that we did see. Right, as we can see, I'm set up here, I'm in the water again. Oh, hope there's nobody up there peeing. Anyway, I've started here, this wee rock. I've done a panoramic, and I've done a portrait shot, and I've done a landscape shot. I'll show you in camera if you can see it. I'll just brighten up a bit at the front there. And I've started at these rocks here, focusing wise, then up here, then up close, and then up at the waterfall. So hopefully that's enough to get a good enough picture from there. And I was at 40 a second, F11, and then I was getting up to 8 a second, just try to get some light in these wee bits here from the panoramic. So the panel came basically about there, maybe in a wee touch. But that's me at this wee waterfall anyway. I'm going to move down, get the next one. Hopefully my shoes will dry out by the time I get to the van. Who knows? I'm back down the stairs, the only stairs that are here. I don't know if there's a shot here. It may be a really wide angle, I think. You could have the stairs in it as well right enough, but nah, I don't know. I'm not seeing it. I'll move on. Come to this wee scene here. I'm doing a portrait shot because I'm trying to get this waterfall, and this waterfall all in at the same time. And then I was zoomed in for the last shot just for these two waterfalls. That's just, I seen these on the way up obviously, so now I'm just stopping on the way back down, as I said I would. I'm just going to have another wee look, see if there's anything else. Right, I'm heading back. There's a wee waterfall just down here. I'll go down there, there's people there, but I'll see if I can get a shot. As long as they're no swimming, they're not there, they're there for the day, they looks at. Right. Well, that's why I might get the way back another day. I think I'm done for the day. Barbecue. Yeah, I think I'll be done for the day. So I'll head home, get this video ready and let you see it. But remember, guys, oh, there we go. And if you like this wee video, if you like this wee adventure I'd call it, give me a like, even subscribe if you like. That'll help the channel, help the other that one, that'll help that out. A wee click here, a wee click there, a wee view here and a wee view there. Share if you like, but I will be back next week somewhere else. You come and join me.